Life is too short to keep solving problem one after another, I tell you. Just wake up and walk ahead. Problems will get solved by themselves. You are not alone, my dear. Wake up. And there is some power with you who's walking you through all the problems. Sometimes we need to ask this question to ourselves. What is life? Where are we heading? What do you want? This very question does something to our consciousness. It opens up. You know, you should make a list of what is not your goal. And I want you to discover yourself. What is your goal? What do you want? But one thing you know, you are very lucky. You are in a time where you are leading the world. In your life, you do face obstacles, right? First of all, do you identify the obstacle? Where is it coming from? What is the source of this obstacle? In our own mind, there is a seed, and that seed is reflecting in our situation, in our environment, in our workplace, in our activity. Every obstacle can bring something great out of a person. You can open your eyes and look at the situations. You know, when you sustain and go through those things, something big is going to come out of you. Just this confidence or this faith, if it is there, then you'll see other things. They're just transitory. The weakness of a person is that he doesn't recognize his strength. He looks at the other. When the other is found to be much stronger, that is where you see yourself becoming weaker and more weaker. If your sight is stuck on the other, it's never on yourself. You're bound to be weak. Don't label yourself that I can never handle this, I can never do that. Who knows, you can handle anything. Always know you can do anything when you really want it. Just wake up. Awaken the valor in you. Once the valor in you is awakened, how I cannot do this, I cannot do this. Don't feel like Mickey Mouse of your own emotions. You should have a warrior's attitude. Okay, I can get over this. Nothing, this will not do anything to me. When you are faced with a challenging situation, a crisis, that is when you need the strength. That is when you need enthusiasm. That is where you need energy. Strength comes from gratefulness. Strength comes from recognizing one's strength. March with confidence. Whatever is good, best will happen to us. See life from a bigger picture. So what? Life goes on. Then the enthusiasm in life remains. In day-to-day life, so many events come to put down your enthusiasm, but never give up. At no point, don't give up your happiness or enthusiasm.
You are putting yourself in such a cocoon and you are rotting inside your cocoon. You are unable to come out of it.
So sometimes we need to get out of the comfort zone, feel that little uncomfortableness. Then, abilities in us dawn.
In the DSN program, I put the DSN together to action. Love in action is DSN. It uplifts your energy. It's all dormant energy becomes more active. And all that shell, all that thing that you put around you, they just drop off. More glow to your personality.
Even when you don't have the ability, take the help of those who have the ability. You can't do everything by yourself. Whatever you can't do, there are those who can do it. Take their help and do it. Why do you want everything to be easy? Take some challenge. Challenges are necessary in life. Everything is so easy, it is so boring. This knowledge would turn mud into gold, mouse into a lion.